So in this video, I am going to tell about what is keyword arguments. Very interesting, and this type of functions you are not previously seen on that C++ Java programming. So how it is different from keyword arguments from other default arguments which are generally or mostly used in C++ and Java. So here Python describes keyword argument is send arguments with the key is equal to the value syntax. This way the order of the argument does not matter. The phrase keyword arguments are often shortened to keyword arguments in Python documentation. We also understood how the variant the number of keyword arguments when you are going to be passed on by arbitrary keyword arguments on the next video. Okay, so in this video we passing the number of keyword arguments and going to print it. Okay, how? So just a simple steps. Def equal to name within that name fname equal to 40 and lname equal to keypad. I am already declared here, but you are not going to declare here. Okay, that's a default case. Print fname comma lname. Okay, the name within bracket fname equal to define Sangram and lname equal to okay, complete. Now run it. So here showing Sangram Senapati. If I am not passing any keywords, okay, if I am not passing any arguments here, then that keyword argument is going to be QWERTY keypad. Okay, so in this case I am remove this default arguments. Okay, if you are not passing anything, that's a default argument I am going to remove. Okay, now that's a Sangram Senapati is going to be print. So this is the case how keyword arguments are going to be work. Very important, you have to remember. In my next video I am also discuss about arbitrary keyword arguments. Okay, arbitrary keyword arguments when number of keyword arguments are going to be more than 2, 3, 4. That's the main purpose. Okay, so if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button also. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.